Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to set up a personalized food plan using the Fitbit app. If you are looking to track your nutrition, manage your weight, and achieve your fitness goals. First, open the Fitbit app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile photo located at the top right. Then, from menu, click on Fitbit Settings. Next, scroll down until you see Nutrition and Weight. Click on that section, and you will see an option to set up a food plan. Enter your starting weight and your target goal weight. Once that information is entered, click on Next to proceed. Next, you will be asked to select your plan intensity. Choose the option that best fits your fitness goals from the list provided. After selecting the intensity, click Next to move forward. You may need to click Next a few more times to confirm your choices and review your plan. Finally, after reviewing all the details, click on Save Plan to complete the setup. Your personalized food plan is now ready, and you can start logging your meals and tracking your progress directly in the Fitbit app. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more practical Fitbit tips.